Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Pauline Fu. This video shows how to calculate mean for grouped data. Suppose you have the data for cost of lunch in dollar amount. From $3 and under, you have 7 students. From $5 and under $7, you have 10 students. From $7 and under $9, you have 9 students. From $9 and under $11, 5 students. Okay, so total you have 31 students. The percent of the students buy the lunch between each range is also listed here. So you have 22.58% of students bought the lunch between $3 and $5. 32.26% of the students bought the lunch between $5 and $7, etc. Okay. So, question: you are asked to calculate the overall mean cost of the lunch. So, first step in this grouped data, we need to figure out midpoint. So, to calculate midpoint, you take the average of lower bound with the upper bound. So these numbers are lower bound, those are the upper bound. So the average of the first lower bound with the first upper bound, 3 plus 5 divided by 2. The result is 4. Okay. Next, you take the average of 5 with 7. 5 plus 7 divided by 2. It is 6. 7 plus 9 divided by 2. 8. 9 plus 11 divided by 2. 10. Okay. Because you also given the percentage, so we have 2 different methods to calculate this. So method 1, using number of students and the midpoint. The keyword after mean is the cost of lunch. The midpoint represents dollar amount. So this one is your X. Number of students is your W. So the mean cost of lunch equal to sigma W times X divided by sigma W. Okay. So W is 7 times 4 plus 10 times 6, 9 times 8, 5 times 10 divided by, add all W together. Okay. So we can use calculator to figure out the result. We just need the regular calculator. So I go to run March. Okay. Open bracket, 7 times 4 plus 10 times 6 plus 9 times 8 plus 5 times 10. Okay, that is the numerator, closing bracket, divided by opening bracket, 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 5, closing bracket, and we got result 6.77. So the unit is dollar. Alright, so that is the method 1, using regular calculator function. We have done the list a couple of times already, so I assume you already know how to do it using the list. Okay. So let's do method 2. For method 2, we want to use the percentage. Okay. Because the question asks the mean cost of the lunch. So our x remain the same. Midpoint is our x, and our w is the percent. So this is our w. Okay. So we still use the same formula, sigma w times x divided by sigma w. So w 22.58 times 4 plus 32 times 26 times 6 plus 29.03 times 8 plus 16.13 times 10 divided by add all w. So 22.58 plus 32.26 plus 29.03, 16.13. Okay, so this maybe it's easier to use the list for this data. So I will go to the statistical function menu, then start. I want to create two lists based on W and X here. So have to make room for the list. Not sure which list I want to delete. Maybe list 12, list 13 I want to delete. Okay. Delete list 12 and delete list 13. So I have list, maybe this W is my list 12, this X is my list 13. Okay. So now enter W 22.58 EXE 32.26 EXE 29.03 EXE 16.13 EXE. So I finish enter W. Next enter the X for EXE 6, 8, 10. Okay. After those data, make sure you are at your home page by press F6 button. Now press F2. F6 set. One variable X list is my list 13. One variable frequency is my list 12. Press EXEK. Then press F1. And the average is 6.77, the same as we get in method 1. Okay. So that's all for calculation for grouped data. There are two methods. Thanks for watching.